morning from Disneyland. We're here with Jamie.
Hi guys.
For a very late birthday trip.
We're on an adventure.
We're on an adventure. We do have Tianas Bayou Venture virtual queue. We are group 25.
23.
23. They were, let's continue not staring into the sun. Hey, look at that. Last we saw they were going and calling group 9.
11.
Oh, 11 now. So they're actually calling pretty quickly this morning. So.
And Haunted Mansion, we are group 102, boarding group 22 now.
Yeah, so we should ideally get on those. Also, update from the news video. Apparently, you can get multiple lighting lanes now.
It worked.
It works.
We don't question it when it works.
We're also going back, like I said, during the Hungry Bear review to Hungry Bear today. We have those reserved. Your Jungle Cruise is upstairs, so I don't think we're going on that.
I was gonna lug. Because you just go around, maybe?
Yeah. So, anywho, we have lots of things going on. This should be a one-parter, but we'll know more as we go.
You never know what's gonna happen.
Pretty much?
No. No Jungle Cruise.
No. Yeah, because you're wrapped all the way back to here too. Like.
Yeah. No, if it goes around the stairs,
30,
that's about
not 30.
That's like 45.
Anywho, let's get to it. The construction walls are down around the new shop. Still not open yet. We still probably have a few months.
You think so?
Yeah.
Oh, it's Haunted Mansion shop, yes. I was thinking it's Bayou for whatever reason.
No, yeah, this is the Haunted Mansion one. It's probably a few months because they probably just tried to get the outside done for the shots of this. I like this little like sidewalk way though, like if you're trying to get some pictures.
Yeah.
That's why the Haunted Mansion.
It's so weird being able to get this close to Tianas Bayou Adventure or Splash Mountain, whichever one you want to call it by.
I like the sign on the shop. Did you see that?
The paper one?
Yeah.
Soon I shall be returning once more with haunting treasures and wonders galore. Yeah, I like it.
It's interesting to see how the concepts are different already, because there's double doors, now there's only a single door.
Yeah.
I understand concept art, I get that. But it's cool to see how the concepts have actually evolved, and it doesn't look like there's the awning on that side. Because I think they made the actual building bigger.
Yeah, I think so. Ray's Berets is open now.
I'd like to check out Ray's Berets.
You lead the way, this is your day. Oh, it's dark in here.
Yeah, it is. Look, it's Evangeline.
Oh, it is.
Char, sweet char.
Check your receipt. Oh, I guess. Thank you.
It's Ray and Evangeline.
This came out actually pretty cute.
I like the change.
I don't like how dark it is because like mom's gonna have a hard time going in the store at all. Mm-hmm. But I do like the change. So we're back on Main Street because groups are being called a lot faster than expected.
It's so fast.
And I don't want to take the gimbal or the nice mics with us through the attraction. So we have a head mount for this guy. One of us will be wearing it, probably Jamie, because Jamie's gonna be in front of me because I hate the 50-foot drop. Doesn't matter what theme we want to go with, I still hate the 50-foot drop.
It's not the theming that's the issue.
No. So audio is going to be, quality is going to come down some. Still pretty good audio though through the mic here. We tested that before. And footage will be pretty solid until we get to the attraction where we're going low light, which again, Tatum's off horizon balance, but makes a nice clean picture.
And George, remind me to look forward because I'm gonna like.
No, you look around.
Look around. But remind me not to turn around and talk to you.
Well, yes.
'Cause I don't need to do that.
Yes, we don't need to be talking. We want to film the attraction.
Remind me, because I'm going to forget. So if you see the camera jerk really quickly, I probably got slapped in the back of the head because I was going to talk to George.
That's fair. They are only sending. They're saying most boats only like 2-3 people, so we should actually even have our own boat.
Yeah, it looks like groups only on a boat.
We did see on our way in filming rigs and such set up backstage. They are filming over there. At least they will be. So that's, I think, what we have going on. Just so happens we lined up on the right day by purely dumb luck because Jamie couldn't get last week off.
Yeah.
That's the only reason. Anywho, we'll be back in a second.
That's Louis, the alligator song. And y'all know Louis, you know he doesn't need to be human. That gator is one from your cat, exactly as he is.
The new sign?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yep. Okay, let's do this.
I'm going to focus more on the inside so you can see the outside.
Yeah.
Yep. Thank you.
Jamie, we're almost there.
We are. I'm really excited.
Oh wow, this area came out nice.
Yeah, it really does. What's your soap?
Yeah. I've filmed queues before. All right, Jamie. Ahead. Okay. Referee gonna focus forward.
Yep.
Yeah, we're getting so.
See, George, that wasn't too bad.
Yeah.
Hey, there y'all are. Louis is up ahead. Let's join him.
Let's take the shortcut.
It's the overrun. Yo, any fans down here? Come out, wherever you are.
Don't you worry, Louis. We're gonna find just what we need in the box.
Never lose sight of what's important. Space Mountain.
That's the way to look at it.
Wait, that's not what it means?
You're looking for musicians. You don't have far to go. Tell the people not to go.
This man, she Brown can play. Hallelujah.
They can play. No doubt. We lost him to join the band for sure.
Listen to this. These cats can play.
I'm asking all of you to play the card. We got such high and low.
How long can I go?
Time to get big. Time to get tiny. Tiny. We have to find them. Sounds like a fucking
Y'all song is wrong.
Been there, done that. But you found the sound, that was great.
You said I'll get you back to South. But invite your little friends to tag along. Get you to the party. You'll get there in no time. Guaranteed.
Here we go!
Ready? I didn't get that one. I didn't get that one.
I didn't get I put on that one as I did inside the mountain.
The inside one is the one that gets you.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. We survived. I mean, it's still pretty much. Oh man. That's good. That's good. I think I lost some connection. My hands took my leg and just pulled up. That was so fun.
Larry. Oh, Larry. Thanks, Larry. Hey, Larry.
I like the armadillo. He looks mean.
I think I got it too, but we'll see.
Y'all would make a big splash at this party. Hell yeah! See y'all again soon. What a band!
All right, first reactions. We're just getting off right now. My shoe is full of water.
My right shoe is. So, what I figured out from this ride, the right side is the wet side, the left side is the dry side.
Pretty much right now. I think poos went down.
That's weird.
Okay, so going back to when we talked to Justin, I get where he's coming from. That it's a lot more cheery and a lot more like excitement building the whole way
Yes,
through.
and I like that.
And it made the drop actually a lot better for me. I know it's been a hot minute since I've been on it, but
It wasn't as dark and you're getting thrown off. You're getting big again.
yeah, surprising.
It's hard to figure out the story. I have a hard time with that.
But yeah, so does everybody, at least as far as I've heard. So, still a criticism on that. Hold on, we're gonna cut this right into this next part. Sorry for the shaky footage on last sec. Yeah, no, the story still to me does not make a lick of sense.
With the other one, it was slower and they could explain it better. I felt like.
By what I read, it also sounds like though
I don't do right.
that they were just having problems even before construction figuring the story.
Yeah.
So, because the story is based on the show that was supposed to already been out, but not out yet. And then they changed it and they changed it and changed it, and it is what it is kind of situation.
Like, I think you've explained it to me that they're looking for a band for some party.
Yes.
Which is fine. I get it. It took me a little bit of going through it. Also, I could barely hear anything.
Yeah. Like the music was nice and loud, but the
Audio wasn't.
The first Tiana going up the barn lift hill. Good description? Good description.
I'm sorry, what?
First Tiana going up on the first lift hill, on the barn lift hill.
Uh-huh. What about her?
She needs to be a little bit earlier when she speaks.
I think so, yeah. I think we're also running really close to the other time.
We were running fast, but it just felt like half her dialogue was after we passed her.
Yeah, and like then you can't hear it.
Yeah. Overall, out of 5, how many bananas do you give it? Since now we're going to carry that over.
We're counting bananas now.
We're counting bananas.
Huh. So it's been a minute since I've been on the earlier edition. I'd give the earlier one a 3. And I liked how it was a little. This is going to be a little contradictory. I liked how it was a slower ride.
Mm-hmm.
But it was a darker ride.
Okay.
I didn't care for the darker story of it. I liked that it was a slower. You could kind of sit there and relax for a bit. This one felt rushed.
It does feel rushed.
So I would give the Splash Mountain probably 3 bananas.
Okay.
I would give this one probably 2.5, and I know that's going to get better over time.
Okay.
Because
okay.
again, I'm really basing it off the fact it was rushed. The audio wasn't right, which is what I don't expect here. I expect it to be almost perfect most of the time. I get stuff happens. It's not always going to be perfect.
Yeah.
But especially today, with the extra media and everything here, I expected better.
No, that's fair. That's a very fair.
So that's why I gave it a little bit lower. But still, it's a good ride. If it's the middle of summer and you need to pull off, go on it. It's fun.
Again, technically all of this is opening, so there's now more lighting set up.
Okay.
So they're doing the full thing this day. So for me, I will always stick with my gut. I will always stick with my opinions. I will always keep my opinions. Nothing in fact that one way or another. I don't need a cupcake. If you know, you know. 1 second. So that all being said, I have to give. I'll follow your same setup. On Splash, a 4 out of 5 bananas. It is a darker story, but it's a solid story in my opinion.
It was easier to figure out what was happening.
It's easy to figure out what's happening, and to me, the music is more iconic and more rememberable.
Yeah.
Like Zippity Doo Dah, no matter what happens, no matter how much it's trying to be buried at the moment, you will let's go through fun. You'll never go ahead and be able to erase that out of my head.
Yeah.
What is on Indiana Jones?
I give it a solid 3.
Oh.
Again, as you pointed out, parts feel a little rushed. To me, music is a big deal. I'm a music kid, and it's not memorable. I mean, most of the music's already been used for years now, so it's just reusing a lot of it. And I've said this before. Throw hate in the comments if you want. To me, Special Spice or whatever the finale song is, it's mid.
It's not what it was.
It's mid.
Another thing, if I'm going off the updated stuff,
Well, I think
the
there's inside
animatronics
too.
didn't look super spectacular.
Like the first Tiana when we're going up Woods Hill looked fantastic.
Yeah.
The first Lewis animatronic, not just static figure,
Yeah.
looked fantastic. But then they all kind of just got a lot more simpler as you go further in, which is odd.
The projections, though, phenomenal. Like that one wall when you were a frog looked good.
Okay.
I'm not a professional person.
So, for me, what I've said this whole time is they look like PlayStation 1 graphics or PlayStation 2 graphics. They still do.
Yes, but they still match the animatronics on the right.
It was cheaper.
They look more plasticky and fake than the animatronics on the right.
Okay, fair.
So,
I still think it's a good upgrade, but it could have been better.
yes.
That's more so where I was going. The upgrades they made to that part of it were good.
Yes.
It hit a wall once and it was very jarring.
We didn't. There was one section, and I don't know if it picked up by camera because I wasn't trying to be loud about just some like my statement. Like I was talking out loud to myself, just to be honest.
And we had a group in front of us.
And we had a group in front of us, and we hit something. We didn't hit a wall because we were still floating straight through. And legitimately, I started looking around, like, what did we hit? There was like something, like we were like too far down in the water. We were hitting one of the brake stops in case of emergency or whatnot. But
It was very jarring.
it was very jarring.
You ever seen the footage? Because I went like that.
No, it's solid. Splash was fun in the aspect that it was more nerve-wracking and such. I think that's why I hated the drop more. This one, I will say, the drop was more fun. I would actually ride this again.
That's a lot for you.
That is a lot for me. I don't normally ride water rides because I hate being wet, and now I have wet socks, and I am mad.
And a wet shoe.
And a wet shoe.
Only one, right?
Only one.
Yeah. Again, the right side's the wet side, left side's the dry side. I don't know how that's gonna help you when it's one per you can sit in a row, not in pairs.
Yep.
So good luck with that.
Good luck with that. But yeah, overall, 3 out of 5. I'm supposed to be back on Sunday. And I'm supposed to be here with Tracy and Kenny because they're going to take them for their first time. So,
You're right again.
We'll have some more then. Let's go get our mics. And my shirt's already almost dry, so.
Yeah, my pants aren't.
My pants are pretty much, I mean, my knee is wet, but.
The side that didn't get as wet is good. My right side just took. And it was cold.
It was cold. Why are we opening a summer attraction in November?
To work out all the bugs before it gets busy.
Why are we opening a summer attraction before?
To work out all the bugs before it
I
gets
don't
busy.
believe you. I do not accept that as an answer. Your point is null and void. Goodbye.
Yes, but it's an answer.
Anywho, let's go.
best one.
Obviously, we are.
The goat looks extra furry.
It's the goat.
The goat looks like he got to put a coat on.
Here, everyone.
Dinosaurs.
What can he use to keep it in?
So we're back. Again, we got the brisket sandwich because this was the favorite last time. I don't remember what the rating was.
Good.
Never really good. I think it was a 4.
4 bananas?
Or 3.5. It may have been 3.5 because it was cold. I know the highest rated thing was the strawberry pickled lemonade.
I would never order that on my own.
We also reordered the funnel cake fries, which this time they're warm. They're still not hot, which would order them hot, but now they're soft like funnel cake fries and they taste good. So, credit where credit is due. Nicely done. A little bit hotter would be better.
You can see when they're cold, they aren't as good.
We requested no jalapenos on our brisket sandwiches. We got jalapenos, so
It even says no jalapeno on it.
they took the onion off. Somebody doesn't know what an onion or jalapeno is.
Yeah.
That's what they did. They swapped it. That's fine.
I'm not too concerned about it. They are busy. I wasn't going to argue.
Yeah, but if this would be a problem if this was a allergy. This entire plate would have to be sent back right now. Because jalapenos have touched the meat, so I wouldn't be able to eat it. Not that I have an allergy to it, but just saying that is a real concern.
Yeah. I just wasn't going to argue it. I wanted food.
Again, brisket's not hot. It's warm though, but it's 1,000 times better than the last time I had it because it's a warm, good sandwich. And the brisket's a lot more tender this time than it was last time.
It smoked better. Or cooked better.
Improvement. Getting better. Good job, Disney.
That was the Grand Canyon as we know it today. But it wasn't always this way. Now, let's travel back in time, way back in time, to the fantastic past of the primeval world, land of the dinosaurs.